Today I'm going to show you a different way to make sloppy joes. I've seen a lot of recipes for this online, but I decided to do my own. And y'all know me, it's going to be practical, it's going to be on a budget, and it's going to be quick and fast and easy. So chop up a small onion, dice it up, and about 1 pound to 1.5 pounds of ground beef. You could use ground turkey, chicken, pork, anything, just ground meat. Turkey or ground beef would probably be best, but you could do any of it, it doesn't matter. And go ahead and cook all of that until it's done. The onion will be soft, and the hamburger meat needs to be no longer pink. And then I'll show you what to do next. Okay, y'all. So I've already cooked everything. And I've drained it. And now we're gonna mix my favorite barbecue sauce. We always get Sweet Baby Ray's sweet and spicy, and then that's it. Okay, hang on and I'll show you the next step. Okay, y'all, so what you need to do is after you get your sauce and your meat combined, set it aside, go ahead and get a baking sheet, line it with foil, put your frozen Texas garlic Texas toast. This is a picture of it. Any brand will work, it doesn't matter. And then go ahead and stick it in the oven, 425. It's usually on the box, whatever the box says, 5 to 8 minutes, and you want it toasted. Take it out, and then you're going to put your meat mixture on top. You're going to put your meat mixture on top. So I've seen other recipes, they put mozzarella cheese on top. We decided on sharp cheddar. So I still have my oven preheated to 425, which is the temp that I baked these on. So the only thing I need it for is to melt the cheese and kind of heat up the meat. So bit of cheese, not too much. Okay, and so you're going to put this in the oven just long enough for the cheese to melt. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product. It was real simple, real easy, and I just put it on the plate like this. You can do the other, you can get more of the garlic bread, toast it, and just set it on top like a sandwich, but we're just going to eat it this way with some tater tots. See you next time.